Hello everyone, this is Meera Gupta. Welcome back to online English classes. Dear students, in this video I am going to start the uses of possessive in English grammar. I hope you will understand it well, and for this you have to attend the virtual class very attentively. Okay, so here let us learn about the uses of possessive. Dear student, as the possessive words denotes ownership or possession on someone or something. First, let us know what are possessives. Possessive shows ownership. They show something belongs to someone or something. In other words, they possess something. For example, if we want to show that the book belongs to the boy, it would be stated the boy's book. Means here apostrophe s is given. This means the books belong to the boy. Now let's see another examples. We have a laptop. Our laptop is black. I have a watch. My watch is golden. They have a car. Their car is fast. She has a dog. Her dog is nice. He has a bike. His bike is good looking. You have a daughter. Your daughter is so cute. Now here students, you can see the highlighted words. Our, my, their, her, his, your. These words are possessive. Okay? Means when you will change pronoun into possessive, then I becomes my, we, our, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its. So these are the possessive words that are used in possessive pronoun. Okay, now let's see the possessive case. As definition is already told, the case used to show possession is known as possessive case. Okay, now let's see the types of possessive case. Now here basically you can see three types of possessive case: possessive noun, possessive pronoun, and the third one is possessive determiners. Okay, along with these examples are given. You can see in possessive noun, king's crown. Here king is noun. Apostrophe s is given. It means crown belongs to king. Okay. Now next, possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, theirs, his, hers, ours. These are your possessive pronoun. I want mine. I want mine. It means mine. Mine is the possessive of I. Okay. Now here another you can see possessive determiners. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are possessive determiners. Example is given. Is that your gift? Is that your gift? It means here possessive determiner your is used. Now let us learn one by one. So first we will start from possessive nouns. Okay. Now possessive nouns are those nouns that show possession. Possessive nouns are used to show ownership. Now let's see rule first. In singular nouns, example, person, place, thing or idea, we add apostrophe and s after the noun. Okay. Let's see the example. Ron's car is in the garage. Now Ron is a singular noun, okay, and it is person, and here possession is used apostrophe s, means car, whose car is here? Ron car is here, okay. So car belonging to Ron is in the garage, okay. Now see the next rule, rule number 2. In singular noun ending with s, we add an apostrophe and s to the noun. Example, Tom's notebook is lying on the table. Notebook of Tom is lying on the table. Okay. So it is your singular noun ending with s. Now see the another examples. A noun that ends s or apostrophe and shows possession. Okay. The seagulls feast. The seagulls feast. Whose feast is there? The feast belongs to seagull. Okay. Apostrophe s is given. It shows possessive, that is possessive noun. The boat's ode. Chris surprise. Okay, you can see here apostrophe s is given, so apostrophe is used to show possession. Okay, now let's see the example of possessive noun. This is Natasha's skirt. This is Natasha's skirt. It means here apostrophe s is given. It means skirt is belong to Natasha. This is Tom's hat. Now here again apostrophe s is given. It means the hat belongs to Tom. The owner of the hat is Tom only. Another example. This is Dan's photograph. Now here this is Dan's photograph. Here the position of photograph is whose? It is of Dan. Okay. So this is Dan's photograph. This is Nikki's cat. Nikki is owner of that cat. Okay. Apostrophe s is given to show possession. This is Natasha's skirt. This is Tom's hat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Nikki's cat. You can see here apostrophe s is highlighted. Means this is used to show possession of noun. Okay. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. Okay. Means here noun is Natasha, Tom, Dan, Nikki, and apostrophe s is used to show possession. Okay. We add an apostrophe s to a noun to show ownership. Okay. A noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. Now I hope that this possessive noun is clear to you. Okay. Now you can see again another example. The cat's dishes. The possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. Before the noun means dishes. Dishes is your object. Okay, and cat is noun here. So before noun apostrophe s is given. It means possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. Tom's hat. We add an apostrophe to make a singular noun possessive. Singular noun possessive. Cat. Cat is given in the singular number. Boy. Boy is given in the singular number. Tom. Tom is given in the singular number. It means after singular noun apostrophe s is given to show singular noun possessive. Okay. Now you can see the example, the witch broom. It means this broom belongs to only one witch because it is given in the singular number. Okay, witch, and just after the witch apostrophe s is given, means broom, this broom belongs to that witch. We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in s possessive. Means you can make a plural noun ending in s possessive. How? Here boys, B-O-Y-S, and after boys apostrophe is given. It means it denotes plural noun. Okay, the possession of plural noun. Dogs, girls. Here apostrophe is given to denote plural noun possession. Okay. See the example. The witch's broom. In the earlier example you have seen the witch broom. Okay. But here it is given the witch's broom. It means the broom belongs to two witches. Okay. Not a singular witch, not a only one witch, but two witches. Okay. So that's why after witches apostrophe is used, it means it shows plural noun. Okay, plural noun possessive. We add an apostrophe s to a plural noun that does not end in s to make it possessive. How? See the example. The deer's antlers. Okay, the deer's antlers. Now I hope you understood the possessive noun. Now let's see possessive pronouns. Start from the example. This kitty is mine. Its fur is so soft. Mine. Is that bicycle yours? Yours. This ball is his. His. That dress is hers. Hers. That car is ours. Ours. That house is theirs. Theirs. Possessive pronouns that shows who or what on something. Okay, who or what on something. Examples already you have seen. This kitty is mine. Its fur is soft. Mine and its. It is your possessive pronoun. Is that bicycle yours? Again, yours is your possessive pronoun. This ball is his. His is your possessive pronoun. That dress is hers. Hers is your possessive pronoun. That car is ours. Ours is your possessive pronoun. That house is theirs and theirs is your possessive pronoun. So, they can be used in place of possessive nouns or possessive adjective plus possessive noun phrase. Okay. See the example. These books are my sister's. These books are hers. So these books are my sister's. My sister's is also used as possessive noun, and in place of possessive noun the statement is as these books are hers. Okay. So hers is your possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. They stand alone. Okay. But possessive nouns always come before the noun. Okay. Now you can see the example. This is Winnie's house. This is Winnie's house. Here in the first statement, Winnie is noun. Okay, and after noun apostrophe is used, so that's why it is your possessive noun. But here this house is hers. Okay, pronoun is used at the end of the sentence, hers. So hers is your possessive pronoun. Now here students, I have finished possessive noun and possessive pronoun. So I hope you understood it well. Now some exercise is given on possessive noun and possessive pronoun. I hope you will note down in your notebook and you will do practice of these exercises. Okay, this one is your exercise 1, that is on possessive noun, and the another exercise is related to possessive pronoun. Okay, so these two exercises you will note down in your notebook to do practice. And next, possessive adjective we will see in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.